Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Spigen rugged armor case for my Google Pixel 4a 5G. Now I bought this on Amazon for $12.99 with Prime shipping, so if you are interested in purchasing this case after this review video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. I would appreciate if you did so. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual unboxing. So if you've ever bought a Spigen case, then you know this is the box that it comes in if you get it from Amazon and really from Best Buy as well. So you have the Ghost logo there with the Spigen logo. You got Spigen brand in here. You got the picture of the Pixel inside of the case here. And of course it does say it is for the Pixel 4a 5G rugged armor. On the bottom, it just lets you know that it's matte black. On the side, nothing on this side. On this side, you do have some very minimal Spigen branding. And then on the back, you do kind of have the normal mumbo jumbo as far as the slim design and all that good stuff, but won't waste too much time on that. So let's go ahead and get it out. So the way to open it up is you pull the tab and then pull the case out. So always will be in this kind of plastic wrapping in here. So let's go ahead and just get this pulled out here. And there is the actual case. Well, let's go ahead and take a peek on the inside real quick. So you have the Spigen's, very recognizable spider web design on here in the inside that's going to be going up against the phone. You do have that logo there. Always reminds me of like some Latin something from like a old college or something. I don't know how to explain that, but if you know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But you got that there. Of course, it does say here Spigen ink and Irvine Cali. And then you do have the cutout that you can see for your fingerprint scanner and also for your camera bump. In the corners, you do have the air cushion technology as it says right there. So that's going to help dissipate the energy away whenever you do drop the phone and have those corner drops. It's going to help protect your phone a little bit more. So let's go ahead and grab my phone real quick and slap it in the case. So just put it in the corners and pop in. And there you have it. So there is the rugged armor case on the Google Pixel 4a 5G. It would look identical if you had the Google Pixel 4a as well. Obviously this case won't fit on the regular 4a because this is for the 6.2-inch 5G version. But as you can see there, if you are a fan of the rugged armor, then you know exactly the look that it gives you. It gives you this matte black back here with some faux carbon fiber inlets here on the top and bottom. You do have the Spigen brand in there as well. But like I said, you do have the cutout there for your fingerprint reader, and it is recessed in there a little bit, which is nice because it does make it easier to find it when you are looking for it to unlock the device. Because if you don't have a case on the phone, it is very flat on the back of the phone. So sometimes it might be difficult to find that fingerprint reader. Now, as far as the camera bump goes, as you can see here, you do have a raised border around the actual camera bump itself. So you are going to get that protection when you do place the phone back down on any type of surface to protect that lens there. So let's go ahead and do the wobble test since we are talking about it laying flat. So since it is a flat surface, there is no wobble or shake at all, which is really nice. But then as you can see here, like I said, you do have that carbon fiber look at the top and you do have it here at the bottom. So like I said, it goes to this faux or this matte black finish to this faux carbon fiber here. So I do like the look of it as well. So let's go ahead and take a peek around the corners and everything. So as you can see here on the sides, you do have some texture here on the sides of the phone, so that way it does help with that added grip protection and just better feel in the hand. You do see some more of the glossier blacks here and there outlining the buttons. The buttons are raised and very easy to find when you are looking for them, so definitely like that. Then going down to the bottom, you do have a nice cutout here for your USB-C port, and then of course your two speaker grills there. And then going down to this side, there is no buttons, but once again, you do get the glossy finishes here with that texture all up and down the side instead of it just stopping where the buttons are here. So definitely, once again, helps with that grip. And then going up to the top, you do have a nice little cutout there for your 3.5mm jack and your microphone. So as front of the phone goes, you do have some raised lips that go around the whole entire front of the screen. So as you can see here, up against my finger, you do have some nice raised lips here, and they are the same height completely around the device. So there's no drop off on the bottom or anything like that. It is completely symmetrical all around. So when you do place it face down on any type of surface, once again, there is no shake because it is completely flat. And then as you can see here, for the actual speaker grill, they did go with this cutout here where it is the exact size of the speaker grill. So it's not a chunky cutout or anything like that. It's very minimal. So when you're looking at it, you hardly even notice it. No obstruction, obviously, of your selfie camera. So definitely a very good looking case. Now, I would do a wireless charging test typically in my videos, but unfortunately with the Pixel 4a 5G, there is no Qi wireless charging. So we will at least do the clicky button test and let you know how clicky these are. So let's go ahead and start with the power button and volume up and down. So the buttons are very clicky, so definitely passes the clicky button test with flying colors. No issues at all with that. Now, one thing to point out too is it is a very slim design. Now, the Pixel 4a 5G is a slim phone, so you are going to notice that it is going to add a little bit of extra out of that phone. So it's not a bad thing. It is a very slim design, but I always bring that up because I'm a huge fan of how the phone feels in the hand with this case, but I'm a bigger fan of how the phone feels without a case, if that makes sense. But like I said, you're gonna get that with any slim phone, anytime you add a case, unless it's extremely, extremely thin, which then it's not really gonna protect the device. So at least you're getting that drop protection with this slim design and good look. And like I said, just letting y'all know, it feels fantastic in the hand. The matte finish back feels very good up against my hand. Very easy to wipe off. Not a fingerprint magnet, obviously, and definitely not a smudge magnet, but with any type of matte finish case, sometimes you will see some, like, I don't know how to explain it, but like it just might get dirty easier, if that makes sense. So usually I'll just kind of wipe it down and it's good to go. But as far as smudges and things go, you're not going to get smudges, but over time you will start to see a little bit of, you know, from your oils of your hands and stuff like that. But like I said, an easy wipe down, no problem at all. So for under $13, getting a phone case from a well-known brand like Spigen, I think it's definitely worth the investment and the money. So definitely, guys, hit that like button if you liked the video. Comment down below. Let me know if you're going to scoop this case up for your Pixel 4a or 4a 5G. And then always, I encourage you to subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.